Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We from Group 3 will discuss two important topics, namely customer relationship management, supply chain management, and we will try to analyze the SWOT of the two topics, especially in the hotel.
Hotel is a type of accommodation that is managed as an integral part of a tourism business that provides lodging services, food and beverage and other facilities that are managed commercially in accordance with the requirements set by the government. Hotels play an important role in the tourism industry. Without a hotel, tourists cannot enjoy a pleasant holiday. This is because the hotel provides overnight services and other services needed with comfort. Because hotels play an important role in the tourism industry, so this time we will discuss thoroughly about its CRM, SCM, and analyze SWOT CRM and SCM. When running a hotel business, when you want to get maximum profit, it is certainly very difficult to achieve without establishing good relationships with customers, considering that there are several factors such as the level of competition in the hospitality business, which is growing rapidly, customer satisfaction with hotel services, not understanding the desires and needs of the hotel, customer complaints. Of the three factors, the main problem that arises is about customer satisfaction with hotel services, not understanding customer desires and complaints because there is no supporting system. Therefore, through the concept of customer relationship management, CRM, it is hoped that it can increase new customers, acquire, improve relationships with existing customers, enhance, and retain customers, retain. The definition of customer relations is the entire process of building and maintaining profitable relationships with customers through delivering high value and satisfaction to customers. Or simplified as a company activity that is used to pamper customers so as not to turn to competitors. Relationships with customers are an added value that is above the product itself. In this case, the product of the hospitality service industry is obtained from the interaction between hotel employees and the customers themselves. This is supported by the opinion of Bernd H. Schmidt, who says that customer relations is a relationship with customers where one customer to another is treated differently according to their needs. Some of the functions of the concept of customer relationship management, CRM, are providing information to customers, receiving feedback in the form of complaints, suggestions and responses to services or services provided by the provider. There are several benefits of CRM, namely CRM allows companies to utilize information from all points of contact. Ease of sales and service processes will be able to reduce the risk of declining service quality, and proper CRM implementation will increase customer loyalty. Example application of CRM in the hotel industry in Indonesia. 0 Ni. Centralization of data. 2. Analysis of customer information. 3. Encourage customer loyalty. 4. Optimize productivity hotel performance.
Next, let's go into the discussion about supply chain management.
Supply chain management is a mechanism or system that connects all the parties concerned, suppliers, the manufacturer, producers, distributors, warehouses, and sellers, retails, as well as consumers, and activities involved in processing raw materials into finished goods that are ready to be sold. The party concerned is responsible for delivering the finished goods produced to the customer at the agreed time and place. The entire process must be carried out in the most efficient manner. Goals of supply chain management. Supply chain is a form of organizational system that aims to distribute products and services to consumers. In this cycle or chain, there are several organizations that work in different scopes but have the same goal, namely to procure goods and distribute them to the hands of final consumers effectively and efficiently. With this cooperation, added value will be generated from the products that have been produced. Supply chain is also considered as a logistics network that is able to connect interrelated links between manufacturers, suppliers, retail outlets, distribution and customers. In this concept, it really prioritizes logistics management, which has a broader view from basic goods to finished goods that are used by end consumers. There are several purposes for using SCM, the most basic of which is to be able to align. Why is SCM in the hospitality industry the key to success? The role of supply chain management in the hospitality industry is critical for a sustainable competitive advantage. A well-managed supply chain can be the main difference between a successful hotel operation and an unsuccessful one. This is for the following main reasons. 1. The hospitality industry has a very complex supply chain. 2. There are many stakeholders involved in the supply chain of the hospitality industry. 3. Usually, large inventories are required, which increases the cost of holding inventory. 4. A large number of perishable items can lead to wastage and increase cost. 5. External and seasonal factors of the hospitality industry make it difficult to accurately estimate demand. The hospitality industry is a large industry with a global footprint. So SCM in the hotel industry can be very complicated, especially for large hotel chains. Hospitality industry issues related to SCM. 1. Material costs. The cost of purchasing raw materials is quite large in the hotel scenario. Most hotel consumables are perishable in nature. The hotel shop handles large quantities of goods for very little price. Most of the direct material costs are invested in the item. Because of its perishability, one cannot use the mass economy of purchasing. This increases the number of transactions and thus transaction fees. The logic of mechanization or automation cannot really be applied because countless different items are purchased for many departments from a large number of suppliers. Standardization is not possible in such a situation. This causes an increase in transaction costs. 2. Material ordering costs. Individual departments typically use manual indents and purchase requisitions independently. Many hotel properties do not have computerized indents and purchase requisitions. Consolidation of such indents and requests becomes quite time-consuming. Purchasing departments were found to place individual orders for the same product, due to difficulties in consolidation. Even for chain properties where different units are located in the same city, hotels do not take advantage of bulk purchases for the reasons stated above. It may be found that the hotel is buying too many units of different brands and packaging sizes. This has a negative impact on consolidation, an increase in the supplier base, and an increase in costs. Sometimes hotels belonging to the same group may buy the same product from the same supplier at different prices. It also greatly increased transportation costs and other direct costs through supply chain management. There may be considerable cost reduction. 3. Inventory holding costs. Forecasting of materials required is quite outrageous. Even if done, the activity becomes a mere paper tiger. The purchasing department, for fear of not being able to deliver the right goods to the user department on time, stockpiles of materials in large quantities. It occupies a large space and leads to increased costs. 4. Emergency purchases. Due to lack of planning, emergency purchases are a matter of routine and not an exception. Purchases are made upon request to the user's department on a whim, and are.
Finally, we come to the last discussion, which is about the SWOT analysis.
Formulating a strategy can also use SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a method of formulating the strategy of a company or organization that is a single business unit. The scope of the single business can be either domestic or multinational. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which means strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, which can systematically help identify external factors, O&T, and internal factors, S and W. These words are used in an effort to formulate a mature plan to achieve Customer relations strategies used to improve customer satisfaction. Hotel Dian Grahut Pekanbaru. Hotel Dian Grahut Pekanbaru has several customer relations strategies in increasing customer satisfaction as follows: 1. Family gathering. 2. Social responsibility. Family gathering is a program created to be able to gather with all staff/employees or customers Hotel Dian Grahu so that more communication and togetherness can be established so that they can understand each other and have one goal, namely increasing customer satisfaction. In this family gathering, there are special employee gatherings, employee gathering, and special loyal customers, customer gathering. Social responsibility program. As a form of responsibility with the surrounding community, Hotel Dian Graha donates or helps to several social events around the Hotel Dian Graha as a sign of serving the company with the surrounding community. The following forms of programs or social events carried out by Hotel Dian Graha are: A. Contribute to road repair and public facilities. B. Care for others. Promotion program. Promotion is very important in the business development of the Hotel Dian Grahat Pekanbaru, therefore the hotel collaborates from the existing mass media to choose one media that can effectively convey messages to prospective hotel guests so that they arrive at the target market rate. Thus, prospective guests can make the decision to come and stay at the Hotel Dian Grahat Pekanbaru. Dian Graha Hotel promotional activities such as: A. Establishing a pricing policy. B. Become a sponsor. C. Doing sales promotion. D. Creating advertisements. E. Giving souvenirs or souvenirs. F. Adding facilities. Divide the rooms according to the quality and facilities it has. G. Adding food.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this channel. I hope you get new knowledge. Thank you. Before closing this channel, don't forget to click like, comment, and share. And turn on the notification bell so you get notifications for the latest